Welcome student to online class 10. Last class we studied in physics light, reflection and refraction. Some parts we can reading last class. Now some parts. Now we study the sign convention for spherical mirror. To study the sign convention for spherical mirror, now we remember the Cartesian plane which I studied in class 9. Cartesian plane we are studying in class 9. Now in Cartesian plane here x dash and y dash, two axes are taken. This is the origin of the Cartesian plane, and now we put the mirror, means spherical mirror, convex mirror or concave mirror, the pole of the mirror at the origin, okay. Now when object is placed, suppose this is the object placed on the x dash axis, okay. So in Cartesian plane, from O to x dash, these are the negative sign, and O to x are the positive. Do you know also? Then O to y, OY in the upper portion is known as the positive and lower portion is the negative. So always objects are placed in the negative sign or left side of the x dash axis, okay. And when the object are stand, their height become always positive. Object placed in the negative side, their height become the always positive. And in concave mirror, we get the real image. So this image also formed in the our negative sign, but inverted. So height of the image, A dash B dash be the negative sign. Height of the image be the negative sign. The place of the image also negative sign, and object of the distance of the object is the positive sign, and height of the object is the positive sign. Okay. So object distance u, image distance v, focal length b, f. So now our mirror formula, and when our image become the virtual, means backside of the mirror, that times, or convex mirror, that time height of the image be the positive, image position also positive, okay, and all virtual image form in the positive side, okay. Then mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by u. Then how much image can be increased or decreased, which is known by the magnification of the object. So magnification equal to minus v by u, or s dash by s is equal to minus v by u, to get the magnification of the image. Now we study some example for this. The example here given: a convex mirror used for the rear view and automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. Radius of curvature r equal to 3 meter given due to convex mirror. So radius of curvature must be in the positive Then object distance given here, object distance u means given if a bus is located at the 5 meter from the mirror, object distance is the 5 meter, object must be present in the negative side. Okay, then find the nature, position and size of the image. Now we use find the radius of curvature, means we know r equal to 2f equal to 3 meter, so f equal to 3 by 2 meter. According to our mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now 1 by v equal to 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1 by minus 5. So 1 by v equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 1 by v equal to, we take the LCM, 15, 10 plus 3. So 1 by v equal to 13 by 15, then v equal to 15 by 13. So here we know the image must be positive side, means we know image the virtual and very small in size. Okay, are present in the positive side, virtual and small in size. Okay, now another example here also. An object of the 4 meter in size, object in the 4 meter in size means height of the object h is equal to 4 meter, and given the object is placed in the 25 cm in front of the concave mirror, object distance u equal to minus 25 cm, and the focal length given the 15 cm, f equal to minus 15 cm due to concave mirror. And what distance from the mirror should be screen be placed in order to obtain the sharp image and find the nature size of the object. Now by this our mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by v equal to 1 by minus 15 plus minus 1 by minus 25. So 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. 1 by v equal to, take the LCM, is the 75, LCM of the 15 and 75. Here the minus 5 plus 3. So 1 by v equal to minus 2 by 75. So v equal to minus 75 by 2 equal to a minus 37.5. Now the image must become the real image. Due to negative side you can find out, and now we know the image is real, but the magnification of the image m equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. So h dash by h is the 4 equal to minus v, means minus 75 by 2 by the minus 25. Minus cancel. So h dash is equal to minus 75 by 2 into 1 by 25 into 4. Then 25 3 ja, 3 2 ja, equal to minus 6 cm. Due to h dash equal to minus 6 cm, so object must be increased. Due to, in this case, sign is never mentioned. So we want minus means that object is the inverted, real and big size. Okay, complete your reflection of plane mirror. Example and topic: reflection of light is over.